Do you see the role of a structural engineer changing or evolving in the future? I know we always hear about new tools, AI is coming, but you, as a structural engineer, how do you see where that's headed?
Uh, yeah, technology is changing, and so does the engineers should change. And when you talk about the structural engineers, obviously these are the uh, key engineers in the society. Um, I believe it's gonna be interesting, but I do have a thought that um, companies will not only be looking for only structural engineers. They will always be looking for the engineers who are also good at BIM, who are also good at the automation, and who have as an idea of the artificial intelligence. So the engineers in the future would not only be the structural engineers; they'll be the uh, combination of all the disciplines.
That definitely makes sense. I think it's an exciting time to be an engineer. There's a ton of advancements that are happening, and I agree with you. You almost have to be this well-rounded engineer to be more marketable, but that's kind of where we're headed as
Yes,
structural
yes.
engineers in the future.
Yes, exactly. Even if I talk about the engineers here in the Middle East right now, companies are going through this process now. If you just compare quickly through with the companies, for example, in the Europe, uh, they are a bit advanced in the computations. It's just because the universities are teaching them the computations, and here you cannot find the computation. So we were actually bringing people from there to here to work with us and help us in our design process, because I believe in the US where you are sitting, the deadlines might be a bit relaxed. I'm not sure though. It might be tight, but I believe here the deadlines are way more tighter than those would be in the US. So see the computation stuff, we need to automate the boring parts of the design. It's very very necessary here. So companies are really thirsty of those people who are very good at design, automation, BIM.
Wow. It's tough to juggle all of that, and it requires a lot of
Yeah,
collaboration. So, but
yeah,
yes, it's an
and
interesting future.